Hey, it's Fred Lil of Lil Packaging. I'm super excited to announce our lowest cost product launch, literally of all time. The company's been going since 1983 and never have we been able to say a product range can be price matched to any bubble mailer price out there in the online marketplace. So we're price checking literally every week. This is called the Lil mailer, or M-Spec mailer we call it internally. It's an envelope made from really well proven, well tried and tested by the world's largest internet retailers, corrugated product, but that gives the flexibility and versatility of a bubble mailer to pack all these kind of items. But generally this wouldn't have been possible without our move to our new HQ in 2022. It's zero carbon certified, straight line speed manufactured. We're making at faster speeds than anyone else in Europe, speeds of up to 50,000 units an hour. And it's groundbreaking efficiencies with a sustainable choice. So there no longer is a single excuse to use a single-use plastic bubble mailer. There is a sustainable choice that doesn't cost a penny extra, and it's called Lil Mailer. Hey, watch this space for more news and more explainer videos, and like and share. Thanks, Mel Happy.